and Mercury is in 9, that is also stands, it didn't come in any sublot. So for 110 4 is good, for 4 9 is not good, and for 10 9 is not good. So anyway 1 4 will work, 1 10 4 will work, and the production work will continue. But the only problem is 9. So we have to check two things. One is Moon and Mercury. Moon stands in 4 and the sublord is, star lord is 110 and sublord is Mars 247. So in total one 10, 1 and 10 is for sun, okay, 4 is moon, it stands, okay, it doesn't come as a sublot, and 2 4 7 again 4. So the 4 gets, the fourth sublot is getting stronger, and 2 is money, 7 is nothing but public relation, that is his customers, okay. So here Mercury is in 9th position, which has a star lord as 247 and sublord is 5, that is Ketu, and here it is Mars. So how strong is 9, how weak is 9, we have to analyze. So here accented is 1, we have to take that, and for analysis purpose we have to take 9 is here, that is Mercury, 9 is here Mercury, and this star lord is 2 4 and 7. This 2 4 7 for production work 4, 5 is multiplying the production job, okay, 5 is a decider for 2 4 7. So for 4 production work is good, it multiplies, and for money it is not good, 1 2 3 and 4. So comes in 4. So for an even number, an odd number should not come, but for 4 it is multiplying factor. So the production work will go, but the money will get stagnant for Mercury. In order to analyze 9, how 9 is it? For in total 2 works, 4 5 works, 7 and 9. So 7 gets what 7 does is it will multiply 9, okay, it is making the 9 stronger. So 9 if 9 gets stronger, 10 will get weaker, okay. So this Mercury is giving a 9, but anyway 2 4 5 7 will work, okay. So production work will go. When compared to moon, Mercury is weaker and the person has a production job will go, but he will not shut down the factory. So this is the basic for in Lagna, okay, that is ascendant. So this Sun Dasa, okay, goes till 20 December 2025, and this Rahu Buddhi, it's a subdivision of Dasa. Rahu Buddhi will go till 7 Jan 2022, and Jupiter Buddhi will go till 26 October 2022. That is what I have written here. So how this planet plays and how the production works get advantage and disadvantage, that we have to analyze. So let's take Sun. Sun is 1, 10 and 9. 9 comes, whenever a 9 comes, okay, whenever 9 comes, the business gets affected, okay. One, 4 and 10. The production work is 1, 4 and 10. Whenever 9 comes, this is the 12th house of 10. When you count from here 1, 2 and 3, and here 9 comes as a 12. So this is a problematic for production work. So Sun is not good till 20 December 2025. Production work will go, but it will not completely get stopped. Even though if we decide to close the company, he will not be able to close it. For Rahu, how the Rahu plays, let's see. Rahu 8, 2, 4, 7 and 8. So this 8 gets cancelled by 7, okay, because 7 is the 12th house of 8. So this 8 will not work properly. So when you consider for production work, for 4, 10 and 2, for 2 it is 7 is nothing but a odd number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's a 6. So it is a balanced money flow will be coming, okay, for Rahu. So balanced money flow will come. And for 10, for 2, when you count from 2 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is a advantage, okay. 9 is advantage. Whenever a planet gives a 1, 5 and 9, that is an advantage for money. So the production work will go in Rahu Buddhi, Jan 22 till Jan 22. So how is Guru? When compared to Rahu, when compared to Sun and Rahu, Rahu is better, okay. So for Guru, the same way we have to calculate 8, 4, 3, 6, 9, 12, okay. So here 3 comes for Guru. So this is the 12th house of 4. So he should not do the production work, he should give a job order to other company. So that is what it denotes. So whenever 3 comes for Guru and Sunny, 3 comes here, right? So the production work will get affected. So he should give job order. He should give to some other person and make the work running. So Mercury I have already discussed. Ketu is 5, 9. 5 and 9 comes, if 5 and 9 comes and 8 becomes the 12th house of 9. So 5 and 8 is the main indicator. So 5 is nothing but it is a disadvantage of for 4 and 10. It is a disadvantage of 10. So the production work will go run, but it will not get closed, but the money flow will be very less. How it will be for Venus. For Venus 1, 10 and 9. Since 9 comes here, this also it's not good. So from 21st December 2024 to 20th December 2025, it is not good. Here 15th August 2024 to 20th December 2024, Ketu runs, okay. Ketu is not good. 8th October 2023, that is till 8th October, Sunny Buddhi runs. So from 9th October 2023 to 14th August 2024, Mercury runs. So this is somewhat okay. For Sunny, they have to give for job order, okay. This is also good. They have to give for another company, and Guru also good. For better thing is, only better thing is next Moon Dasa. After Sun, Moon comes. The moon will give a good production outcome. So he has to involve only in aluminum feeding and other aluminum casting work, because moon sign is nothing but it denotes for aluminum. Okay, let me give an overview of metals and how it plays a roles for planets. So sun is for copper, moon is for aluminum, Mercury is for a green metal called bronze, Venus is for silver, Jupiter is for gold, Saturn is for metal, that is iron metal, Rahu gaseous metal, like gaseous metal neon, argon. So Ketu is for chemical oriented metals, okay. So Rahu is for gaseous metal, Ketu is for chemical oriented metal, like if you say Mercury, Ketu will come, okay. So these are the metal composition for every planet. For this person, moon is good, so you should involve only in aluminum. So if we get involved in aluminum, if he does a job order in this time, that is Jupiter, Saturn and Mercury, he have to give job order in this time. Only at the time of moon dasa, that is after 21 December 2025, he has to do his own production work for next 10 years till 2035. His business will be very good. So this is the overall analysis for RP, that is a ruling planet. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.